Hey guys, this is Chris with Off-Leash K9 Louisiana. This is Miss Daisy. We like to call her Crazy Daisy. She's 6-month-old doodle. We're just here because she likes to jump and play and everything like that. She's a great dog, super sweet, but as you can see, just a lot of energy, and we're gonna see if we can just focus that. No problems here, huh, good girls? She's here for a 1 week, and we can't wait to see what she can do. Ready? And let's go! Let's go!